name is Jin, last name Liu. I came from Irvine, California, and this place is just beautiful. I love each individual teepees at the campsite because that's such a snow peak touch, and it really warms my heart when I walk around at night and just seeing all the tents set up. It's beautiful. So this is a point gift item from Japan, and I went crazy in Japan because I wanted to get this. I was like, all right, let's go, let's get a count going, let's start spending because I need gift points. And this is amazing. It's exactly like the futon that you would sleep on, and it comes with a little stuff sack. The rarest item, it might be these right here. This set is pretty old. You can see the chopsticks are asterisks and it says Snow Peak on it. My favorite is the IGT setup because it's so versatile. It is so much fun. This is my coffee tea station, and then this is my cooking stove, and then this is my prep area. I like the feeling of everybody joining in and cooking together.